Welcome, here I've got OPPO A74 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick the advanced settings. And here at the first place we can see the flip selfie option, so this is our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. And we have short info also from the device that this only works when we use the front camera, so remember to change it from back to front by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.